What's up, guys? It's Matt here. So when we think about XRP, we've been talking about it a lot. We have a lot of conversations about the potential of where this can go, whether it's use case, whether it's implementation, whether it's the case or the supply, or if we can make a certain amount of money off of a certain amount of coins, right? The last video that we made, 1,000 XRP could potentially make you millions of dollars, right? And that's kind of that conversation that we always have is like, how is it going to do that? And nobody 100% knows exactly how that's going to do that because it's all based off of speculation. And it depends off of different things to be implemented at different times. But the interesting thing about the crypto market is that we never know what is truly going to happen. We predict that these things are going to happen, but then something else ends up happening, and now things explode or things crash or something in the middle. So let's talk about XRP because there is more conversation around the supply right now than maybe there should be, or maybe not. I don't know. But the supply is definitely the topic of conversation. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Rumble, my Rumble account is also down below. That Rumble account, we're looking to do basically the same thing we're doing here, but just having kind of a backup plan. And also we're going to be doing like weekend streams and different videos for Rumble itself. So if you guys want to be a part of that, feel free to go over there and follow me and hit that notification bell so you know when I am posting a video. So what are we here to talk about, right? XRP, but what about XRP? We're mainly going to focus on the supply because there's a lot of conversation right now around the rumored potential burn of the XRP escrow, which honestly, when you look at the escrow, that's been a big kind of topic because when people put out these price predictions for $10 or $20 or $100, you're looking at a $50 billion market cap versus a $100 billion market cap. A level to get to $2 for a lot of people may look very, very easy at a $106 billion market cap because it's been there before. But then a level of $2 at a $200 billion market cap because it has a 100 billion supply may look a little bit more difficult for a lot of people. But when it comes to different predictions, we've seen that XRP and a lot of other cryptocurrencies, when they predict it, they try and predict a 2x to 3x value over the all-time high. So if you're seeing a max of a $120 billion market cap, you're looking at a 360, or let's round up and say $400 billion market cap that it could get to at some of those levels. So a $400 billion market cap honestly still wouldn't be a difficult price to get to $2 because that would be a $200 billion market cap versus the predicted $400 billion market cap. But we need to talk about the supply because, again, the supply has come into conversation, into a lot of conversations because of this rumored burn, which we did have, a year ago. There was information off of CoinMarketCap and an article on CoinMarketCap, again, 2 years, a 5-minute read that had how Ripple could be forced to burn XRP worth $30 billion. And it goes through the Ripple has about 50 billion XRP in escrow, a treasure chest that's worth a cool $29 billion. And again, this Ripple case has been going on for 2 years at this point, right? 2+ years. And they've had a lot of wins, a lot of things that have come out where XRP is on top, Ripple is on top, but you still have the ongoing case. And within the settlement, from what they're saying, from what we're hearing, there could be a token burn that they end up doing based on that settlement so that they don't flood the market with XRP tokens. So there's an article here from about 2 weeks ago that talks about the potential impact of a full escrow token burn. So here it is. Ripple, the company behind the XRP cryptocurrency, holds billions of XRP in escrow. As of the time of writing, Ripple has 41.9 billion XRP locked up with a 1 billion XRP release from escrow each month. This huge stockpile of XRP has led to criticisms that Ripple could flood the market at any time and crash the price. Now, however, rumors are swirling that Ripple may may burn all of its XRP in escrow, potentially spiking up the price of XRP. If Ripple eliminated all of the escrowed XRP, it would significantly decrease the supply of XRP and could positively impact the price or the market price. The rumor was started on social media by X account Real XRP Whale and elicited a response from community members. Although unverified, the account posted the update of Ripple burning the 50 billion XRP. While some have shown enthusiasm regarding the price effects in this happens, others have dismissed it and just a baseless rumor. So no matter what it actually is, as you see a baseless rumor or not, this would clearly have an effect. And we've also seen some conversations saying that this may be a part of the settlement to where they don't want to crash, XRP. But honestly, XRP or Ripple has all of the kind of cards, like all of the good cards, right? They have all of the, I'm trying to think of the term. I can't think of the term for some reason. They hold all the cards. Is that it? I believe that's it. They hold all the cards in this situation. And I feel like they don't necessarily need to adhere to what the SEC has to say, because ultimately they win, right? They are coming out on top, and a lot of experts and lawyers have predicted and had their analysis of the whole situation and said that they believe 90% chance that Ripple will win, and some people say 99% chance. So it's still up there, it's still up in the air, and anything could happen. But I think Ripple has all the cards, and they don't necessarily need to do that. Now, if Ripple is deciding to eventually do that, then that would be fantastic. I think that could be a game changer for XRP to only see 50 billion in total supply and then be officially deflationary. Because if you don't know, they do burn, but it's a very minuscule amount in a short period of time. It's a minuscule amount compared to what you've seen out there, elsewhere. So if we have all of these burns, these smaller burns that could happen, and we have the max supply possible, we know that we can only decrease from there, and the burns will get more aggressive. Rather than being inflationary here, it could be deflationary. So it could be a game changer for XRP. But again, this is all just simply a rumor. It's not necessarily telling us that this is 100% going to happen. So let me know your opinion in the comment section below and what you think is going to happen here, if they are going to do some sort of burn, or if you think that this is just all a rumor and it's not going to happen. We're not going to see any 50 billion coin burn. But if we do, what do you think would happen to the price? Do you think it would spike up and continue to rise, and that would be the start of the bull run? Or do you think that we would see a spike up and then a pullback really hard? Because technically, even though it's still taking it out of the overall supply, it's not removing it from the circulating supply. It's just removing it from escrow. So let me know your thoughts. I would love to see them burn it, because I'm a big fan of burns, and I'm a big fan of having deflationary projects. And to have XRP as officially a deflationary project, that'll be a game changer in my opinion. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. If you're not following on Rumble, feel free to follow on Rumble. I'll put that link down below. If you're seeing this on Rumble, hit the follow button as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.